And welcome back to the 2 minute market. We go over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Now, we finally got some movement off that 6,000 level on the S&P 500 that I've been talking about for the last couple days. But first, let's talk about the economic data that we received earlier today. First, we received the PPI data. And again, PPI data is the inflation gauge on producer, so companies' inflation. So the expectation was 2.3% year over year, and it actually came in at 2.4%. So it was a little bit higher than expectation. Again, if you remember yesterday, the CPI, the consumer's inflation gauge, it came in right aligned. So again, inflation is a little bit sticky. But as well, we received the jobless claims. And again, jobless claims is the amount of people who filed for unemployment. Now, the expectation was 224,000, and it came in at 217,000. Less people filed for unemployment than were expected. So you'll think the market had a great day. Well, if you look at the indices above, you'll see that we finally had a red day. And it was one of the first red days after the president election. If you notice, the S&P 500 did get rejected from that 6,000 level, and the NASDAQ as well got rejected. And then the Russell 2000, which is a group of 2,000 smaller companies, still been going down for the third day straight. But what I want to let you guys know is we did reject that level, but we're barely rejecting that level. So it's nothing to panic yet, but we need to see how the week ends. Now, one stock that did get crushed today was Tesla. And I've been talking about that since the president election. Since the election, Tesla been on a run. And if you look at the chart above, you'll see Tesla did get a major pullback. So we need to see, is it now finally coming back to earth or not? Now, one stock that's been doing good is Wynn Resorts. I don't know if you've been to Vegas before, but if you have, Wynn is one of the nicest hotels in the strip. And if you look at the chart above, you'll see Wynn surprisingly had a monster day of up over 8%. So I'm not exactly sure what's up with that, but it's something to keep a watch on. Now, if you look at cryptocurrency above, you'll see Bitcoin has been getting rejected from that 90,000 level. And then if you look at the chart above, you'll see Ethereum has been getting rejected as well too. So cryptocurrency is coming down. So again, the same story is true. When the stock market goes down, usually crypto goes down. We're done with the major economic data for the week, but we need to see how the market closes tomorrow. Again, we rejected that 6,000 level. So now we're trying to see, are we going to keep going down? But I will be back tomorrow. Again, this is the 2 minute market. Peace.